Hello everybody, welcome to our new video. Today we're going to show you how to put your Facebook ads on market place. So if you want to make money and advertise for free, Facebook has millions and billions of people. I would say that Facebook has billions and billions of people. So today we're going to show you how to put an ad and make money same day. So this is a strategy a lot of people are using. People are moving from different things to different things. So if somebody can see on Facebook you've been there maybe for 6 7 years 8 years, so there's that trust. If you want to make money on Facebook, your Facebook account, at least it should be as old as 5 6 7 years. I'm not saying it must be, but if it's like with that age, people gain trust and say this guy just did not just create a Facebook account to start robbing people or selling stuff which are not valid. So I'm gonna show you step by step how to do it and you make your own money. So what you do here is you're going to go to, I downloaded some images anyway. I'm gonna be selling a mirror. You're gonna see this mirror. I've got a lot of them, but I'm gonna put this one. I'm gonna give it a name and say for okay. Anyway, you can, if you're selling mirrors like this, you can go to a website called kingmusa.co.za. So that website, it's like a okay, it's a website which sells products also. And what you do here, you can look for a mirror, for that mirror down here, something you want, so you get the same description almost, but you can change it a bit because a lot of people can use the same thing. So you can see full length stand-up mirror on wheels. So what you do, you copy that. You can see the same mirror here. So what you do, you go to your where you downloaded your images. So make sure you put more than 5 images or 4 images. So I'm gonna name that same thing, and rename this, like make your images be named, not these WhatsApp things. Okay, rename this maybe 3, rename this maybe 4, rename this maybe 5, and rename this maybe 6, and rename this the same name but maybe 7. I'm gonna rename everything. Facebook wants 10 pictures. Let me say 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Yeah, I've got 11 of them. I'm gonna use 10 only. It can only help you to use 10, whatever you name it, but it's better to name the pictures with what you're selling, the name of what you're selling. Okay, www, this one, I don't necessarily need this. Okay, once you're done with that, what you're gonna do, we have our pictures already. So what next is gonna be our to go to marketplace. Make sure you logged into Facebook. You're gonna click on marketplace, then I hope you can see a lot of things here. They are coming, so you can see people are selling carpets, rugs, whatever, everything. A lot of things are being sold here, modems, everything, houses, and everything you want, you're gonna get it on Facebook, believe me. So these days, going to some what websites, sometimes it's not necessary if you can buy something on Facebook. Sometimes I believe Facebook is okay, but also there are many crooks which can trick you and steal from you. So what you got to do is you have to be very careful and don't waste your time with people whom you don't know. So what you got to do is be very careful, because Facebook has a billions of people. So what it simply means, also it has a lot of criminals. So what you're gonna do, you must be very careful to know what you're doing. So you go and say selling, you click here, selling something, yes, and we're selling that mirror. You can see the name is that, but now I'm gonna say best stand up mirror for women. It's not for women only, but most people who bought this mirror are women. So I'm trying to say best, we could say best stand-up mirror for you, so to include everything for you. And we can say best stand-up mirror for you on cash on delivery. So people like this. If you say cash on delivery, no, someone know it's difficult someone to rob me at my place. So which means you're gonna drive your car, put in that mirror, take it to the client, charge the client even the delivery fee. He will give it to you because you're saving him time to come to you and also meet people, crooks. Let me say I'm gonna put it on something like let's test this and we put it on 500, but I've been selling it 400. I just want to know, I just want to do what, to show you something. So here, since it's on 500, we can put it here to be on we choose a place. We're gonna look for a place. There's a place called Edenvale. We're gonna say Eden. No, it's gonna be Eden. There. So this is the place I want to sell around. Okay, select the place. Make sure you select the place you want. You can select the area where you stay or the area which is close to where you stay, somewhere where you can drive and don't have to use a lot of petrol. You get me? So we take that, and after taking that, you select, if you have many, you say in stock, list as in stock. So if you have one, you can say single item. So here you can select the category. Here I'm gonna go to household, select that, then you go here and choose your pictures. So all these are the images I want to use. I'm gonna select all of them and put them here. Okay, after putting them here, then everything is okay. And there is something we're gonna have to test, to check. We're gonna check the condition. It's gonna tell is it new or old. So let's go next. We see what it's gonna tell us. Tell us to go there, but there was something we have to do. We didn't do. We have hit that pop up. So in stock, I wonder why it doesn't give us that option. I think it's gonna give after. Then say okay, you select 10 groups, but anyway, on groups, on this version of Facebook doesn't show me how many people in the group. So but make sure you select the groups you know that they have a lot of people in those groups. So the more the people you post, the group which has a lot of people, it's gonna give you more chances to sell quicker and to get a lot of clients. So Facebook now, the 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13, they give you 20 groups if you're using a computer, but if you're using a phone, sometimes they can give you 10. Yeah, so but also on the phone, in most cases it shows you how many people in the group. So you post in groups, you can see 20 groups, and also it's gonna post in marketplace. So people on marketplace, in the place where you specified in the location people gonna be, and also neighboring areas, Facebook is gonna send them that ad. So now we're done with that. The only second step, you have to check if your Facebook shows numbers of people. Just select the groups which has a large number of people followers. So after that you say publish. If you don't have any error, it's gonna be published. If you have, yes, it is published. But now there's issue on this product. Why? They say there's issue with this product. They say edit. How can we edit this? And in most cases the issue is not the what the issue sometimes is the pictures. So it depends which pictures you chose, because sometimes the pictures you're trying to post, you posted them yet before, so Facebook can identify that those pictures were what were used before. So let me try to take out these pictures, some of these pictures, and yeah, I use some of them. I'm gonna take out this and try to post. I didn't even put a description, so they say, yeah, you can see the issue was the what the pictures. So if you use the pictures, you got to use other pictures. So the pictures you've used before in a different on the ad, you cannot use them again easily, quicker, or in maybe a day or two, because Facebook can detect that this advert is just trying to be reposted, so it's like a duplicate. They don't want duplicates. So guys, this is the way to do this, and this shows that your ad is 100% what 100% done. So guys, you're gonna get money, you're gonna get response if you do this, because you're targeting millions of people. So guys, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.